This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment. Install WinRAR or another RAR-capable tool and make sure you have enough disk space. Once done, open File Explorer and locate the folder you want to compress. Right-click the folder and select Add to Archive so you can set format, name, and destination. Make sure to use a clear archive name and pick the destination drive. This first step begins the actual compression workflow rather than just talking about prerequisites. Now you configure options that control size, speed, and safety. Choose RAR as the archive format and pick a compression level. Best saves space but takes longer, while fastest is quicker. If you need portability, set a split volume size like 700M or 1G. For security, add a password and enable encryption of file names. Consider adding a recovery record to repair minor corruption. Once you confirm paths and update mode, click OK to start compression. You finish by letting the tool complete the job and then verifying the result. Once the progress bar reaches 100%, use the Test Archive option or extract to a temporary folder to confirm all files are present and intact. Make sure timestamps and sizes look correct. If extraction fails, rerun with recovery record enabled or recreate the archive. Check file permissions and remove locked files first. If you see permission errors, run the archiver as administrator and retry to resolve common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.